Important reminder: before assembling your LiberNovo chair, please put on the provided safety gloves. Some metal or plastic parts may have sharp edges. Your safety is our priority. We recommend keeping your original packaging for at least 7 days after receiving your order.
Start by laying out the chair base on a flat surface. Take out the caster wheels. Press each one firmly into place. Repeat for all 5 casters. Ensure each caster is securely fitted. Once all casters are installed, flip the base over. Remove the gas lift safety cap. Insert the gas lift into the center of the base. Next, carefully position the seat frame above the gas lift and lower it into place. Pull out the inner linkage rod. Align it with the mounting holes. Insert the screw. Tighten and secure with the included screwdriver. Ensure all parts are firmly connected before continuing. Begin by cutting the nylon ties. Place the adjustment assembly on the left side when facing the chair. Lift the seat cushion assembly and position it above the frame. Ensure the seat module slide channels lock correctly into the base support brackets. Secure the seat with the provided screws. Use the long screws for the side mounts. Ensure the seat module is securely in place. Connect the USB-C cable at the rear of the seat. Ensure the USB-C cable is properly connected. Slide both armrests forward to the frontmost position. Use the short screw for the front of the seat. Pull the armrest back, then release. If it springs back on its own, the seat module is installed correctly. Place the component into the designated position beneath the seat. Raise the seat to its highest position before proceeding to the next steps. Secure the base of the adjustment component with 2 screws. Align the top of the backrest and slide the support bars into the slots until they click into place. Ensure the screw is aligned properly. When it reaches the depth shown in the diagram, begin tightening. Tighten 2 screws beneath the support bar to secure it. Move the limiters to both sides. Set the bottom of the backrest into position. As before, tighten the 2 screws beneath the support bar to secure it. Insert the tilt tension knob into the indicated hole. Once installed, check that it's secure and turn smoothly. Insert the battery into the designated compartment. Loosen the screw on the back of the neck support adjustment arm and remove the end clip. Hold down the adjustment lever, insert the neck support extension rod. Reinstall the end clip and tighten the screw. Insert the neck support pole into the top of the backrest frame until it clicks into place. Your LiberNovo is now fully assembled. Press and hold the neck support release button, then pull it out.